Welcome back. Today on Real Reviews, we have the JBL Flip 6 little mini portable speaker. We're going to take it out of the box and see what we have. Now, when you're opening it up, it's kind of funny because the speaker's like this, but when you open it, it's kind of backwards. It opens towards you. So you pull out this little thing right here. Take a look at that in a second. And here is the JBL. Look at it in there. How cute. Grab it out. Look at that thing. So it has like a little strap on it. You can see right there. Woo. Swing it around. That's a cool looking speaker, actually. This looks like a giant speaker. Has the little passive radiators on the side with the JBL logo. You have your link button right here if you're going to use multiple speakers. You have your volume down, volume up, play, pause button. And then back here you have power, you have Bluetooth, you have your little USB-C port. This is your charging level, and it says Flip 6 right here. And now this little piece of rubber right here, that's just to hold it. So when you sit it down, it doesn't just like roll over like a barrel. So it kind of holds it in place. Okay, so this is everything that comes in the package. You have your little charging cable, quick start guide. What does this thing say? Safety instructions and warranty card. You have your speaker, and that's it. Nothing else. Okay, so the JBL is a really small speaker, but it feels like it has a pretty good build quality. I really like that. I don't know if can you stand it up like, you can kind of stand it up like that, but it's not really straight, as you can see. It's kind of, I don't know. It's not quite straight. So maybe you can stand it up like that. I don't know if I would trust it too much, but I guess you could. And it has a nice big JBL logo here on the front. You can see the size comparison. It's roughly the size of a water bottle, so it's really compact. Let's go over some of the specifications. This is the JBL Flip 6. Measurements are 7 inches by 2.6 inches by 2.8 inches, 1.21 pounds, 30 watts of power. Now this actually does have a subwoofer in it, 1.7 inch by 3 inch, 20 watt woofer, 0.6 inch, 10 watt tweeter, 63 hertz to 20 kilohertz frequency range, IP67, and supposedly it floats. And we will be checking that out in just a moment here. Bluetooth 5.1. It does not have speakerphone, and it is 2.5 hours of charge time for 12 hours of playtime. And the app that you use with this is the JBL Portable app. All right, so we're going to go ahead and power this on and get it connected to Bluetooth. In order to power it on, it's a little power button here on the back. Just press it in, hold it down. It is kind of hard to press it, so be aware of that. You do have to put some force. And there we go. It just powers up with the normal JBL sound, shows the battery's charged, and Bluetooth right now is ready for pairing. Okay, so in your device, it's going to come up as a JBL Flip 6. Let's go ahead and pair to it. Now we're going to play some tracks for you so you can see what the speaker sounds like. So please just sit back and enjoy the music.
Good like that. Okay. Best I don't stop. Best I don't stop. Okay. Best I don't stop. contemplating about decisions. Why there's no one
never see me. Did I do something wrong? Did I hurt feelings? It is hard to be found when no one's looking. I am feeling left out and I keep screaming. No one ever understands it. Feels like I became Atlantis. Hidden from the world, I'm looking for a way.
Tell me if you're hurt and I'll be there. Carry you away to the promised land. Feel your heartbeat and don't be scared. 'Cause I'll be there, yes I'll be there. You and I, we can fly anywhere you wanna go. Find a place we can hide, we can make it on our own. All alone for the ride, to the stars just follow. You and I, side by side, dancing in your halo. I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of yesterday.
Okay guys, the moment that you've all been waiting for, the waterproof test. We're gonna take this JBL, we're gonna dip it in this bath of water right here. We're gonna see, does it float? How does it float? How does it sound? And what it all looks like. You ready? Let's do this. Hit it, DJ. Wow, sounds pretty good still. That's cool. It's kind of sinking on one side. I don't know about floating. It's just sinking. It's not floating, guys. I'm sorry, but it ain't floating. It just sinks, guys. It's basically on the bottom here. Wow, it definitely sprays water everywhere. Look at that. Look how cool that looks. Wow. That is pretty cool right there. I like that. Is it waterproof? Seems like it. Let's try this. When the bass hits. See those passives going right there? Wow, it's just spitting water everywhere. All in my face, geez. All right, so anyhow, is this waterproof? It is definitely waterproof. Does it float? No, it does not float. This thing will sink probably to the bottom of your pool or the bottom of a lake. I don't know how far it's gonna go, but it's literally waterlogged. Would I put this in the water? No, I would not put this in the water. This port is just exposed right here. I'm surprised that they could just keep it like that. You know, the USB-C port, if you can see right there, just totally exposed. I'm surprised that doesn't cause a problem with it, but I mean, the speaker definitely plays. It's blasting water everywhere if you get it in the water, so be aware of that, and it is definitely not going to float. All right, so a continuation of this waterproof test. I was really curious. Does it sink to the bottom? Does it really float? Didn't seem to float there inside. Let's see what happens here. There you have it. Doesn't float. We're going to see if it actually plays underwater or if it turns off. Let's try that real quick. Nope, turns off too. So it definitely turns off. You put it all the way underwater. Does not float. But it is waterproof. It is waterproof, as you see. So there you guys have it. Waterproof test, JBL Flip 6. All right, well, my final thoughts on the JBL Flip 6. I really like the speaker. I think it is a good speaker. It sounds really good. It definitely broadcasts all over the area. It seems to have kind of like almost like a 360 coverage. I like the little passives here on the sides. Those are also really cool. And just the feel of it, the strap, I mean, pretty much everything about it I like. Now, one thing I did mention in the specs is that it floated. Now, I'm not 100% sure if they say that. There are some reviews, some places that does say it floats, but I couldn't actually find that on JBL. So I have to strike that out of there, that it actually floats, because 100% it does not float. So that's the one thing I don't like about it. This is waterproof, and if you happen to drop it somewhere in a pool, in a lake, a river, the ocean, whatever, it's going to sink to the bottom unless you grab it really quick. And it also gets super waterlogged. I mean, it's like super, super duper waterlogged right now. So that is another concern that I have about it. But besides that, if you're going to use this outside of the pool, outside of the water, I definitely recommend this JBL Flip 6 speaker. If you're interested in purchasing the speaker, I will leave a link in the description where you can get it from. And if you would like to support the channel, please be sure to use my links, as anything you purchase does generate a small revenue for the channel. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss another video on Real Reviews. See you guys next time.